In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create discounts in Squarespace. We'll walk through the exact path you'll use in your site, explain what each choice means, and share a few practical tips so your promotions are clear and effective. Start from your Squarespace dashboard. From the main menu, click Products and Services. This is the Commerce Hub where you manage items you sell and set up pricing strategies like promotions. If you manage multiple stores or product lines, it helps to remember that everything related to offers and coupons lives here, so you can revisit and adjust them later without hunting around. Next, click Discounts. This opens the page where all of your existing discounts are listed. Think of it as your control center for promotions. You'll see the discounts you've already created, along with key details like the name and type. Use this area to quickly confirm what's currently running, check for duplicates, and keep your offers organized. Clear names and consistent formatting here will save time as your catalog grows. To add a new promotion, click Create Discounts at the top right. This begins the setup flow for a fresh discount. You're now making decisions that affect pricing, so it's worth pausing to confirm what you want the offer to accomplish, whether that's moving specific products, rewarding loyal customers, or increasing average order value. Select the type of discount you want to create. Squarespace supports common formats like a percentage off the order, a fixed amount off, or shipping-related savings. Choose the option that best matches your goal. For example, percentage-based savings scale with price, while a fixed amount creates a clear, simple incentive. Now fill out the details of the discount. Start with a clear title that's easy to recognize later, like a concise campaign name. Set the discount value carefully, making sure it aligns with your margins and desired outcome. Define eligibilities so you control who can use the discount and what it applies to, such as all products, specific items, or certain categories. Then set any requirements that must be met for the discount to apply, like a minimum order subtotal or a required product in the cart. If you see options for usage limits or date ranges, use them to keep offers on track and prevent overuse. When everything looks good, click Save. And there you go. Your new discount now appears in the discounts list, ready to be used according to the settings you defined. That's all. Simple, clear, and effective.